Okay. I you is it with a voice what time how long often when where why with whom I can play I cannot play can I play cannot play what can I play what time can I play how can I play how long can I play how often can I play when can I play where can I play why can I play with whom can I play who can play I am teacher our teacher I shall be teacher I have been I had been I shall have been then I played I shall play I am playing I was playing I shall playing I have played I had played I shall have played I have been playing I had been playing I shall have been playing I can play I could play I may play I might play I must play I should play I would play I ought to play I can have played I could have played I may have played I might have played I must have played I should have played I would have played I ought to have played I have to play, I have to play, I shall have to play, I'm going to play, I'm about to play, I'm likely to play, I'm able to play. Then I'm asked, I was asked, I shall be asked, I'm being asked, I was being asked, no passive voice. I have been asked, I had been asked, I shall have been asked, no passive, no passive, no passive. I can be asked, I could be asked, I may be asked, I might be asked, I must be asked, I should be asked, I would be asked, I ought to be asked. I can have been asked, I could have been asked, I may have been asked, I might have been asked, I must have been asked, I should have been asked, I would have been asked, I ought to have been asked. I have to be asked, I have to be asked, I shall have to be asked, I'm going to be asked, I'm about to be asked, I'm likely to be asked, I'm able to be asked. I am teacher, I was teacher, I shall be teacher, I'm being teacher, I was being teacher, I shall be being teacher, I have been teacher, I had been teacher, I shall have been teacher, I have been being teacher, I had been being teacher, I shall have been teacher. I can be teacher, I could be teacher, I may be teacher, I might be teacher, I must be teacher, I should be teacher, I would be teacher, I ought to be teacher. I can have been teacher, I could have been teacher, I may have been teacher, I might have been teacher, I must have been teacher, I should have been teacher, I would have been teacher, I ought to have been teacher. I have to be teacher, I had to be teacher, I shall have to be teacher, I'm going to be teacher, I'm able to be teacher, I'm able to be, I'm likely to be teacher, I'm able to be a teacher. I have been, I had been, I shall have been. I am having been, I was having been, I shall be having been. I have had been, I had been, I shall have had been. I have been having been, I had been having been, I shall have been having been. I can have been, I could have been, I may have been, I might have been, I must have been, I should have been, I would have been, I ought to have been. I cannot have been, I could have had been, I may have had been, I might have had been, I must have had been, I should have had been, I would have had been, I ought to have been. I ought to have been, I had to have been, I shall have to have been, I'm going to happen, I'm about to happen, I'm likely to happen, I'm able to happen. I want to it, I dare to it, I fear to it, I need to it, I like to it, I manage to it, I refuse to it, I permit to it, I expect to it, I know how to it. I stop writing, I finish writing, I delay writing, I postpone writing, I avoid writing, I enjoy writing, I practice writing, I deny writing, I know all writing, I mind writing. Okay, 1 minute 55 seconds.